When it comes to network construction in schools, traditional Ethernet solutions is not a good choice because of heavy O&M workload in the ELV room. Traditional PON solutions also have drawbacks due to the integration of Ethernet and POL systems, including heavy O&M workload, insufficient bandwidth, and optical splitting. Why not try Ruijie Network Simplified Optical Ethernet Solution 3.0? Let's take a look at the main equipment room. In the upgraded SOE Solution 3.0, the traditional switch fabric unit is integrated with functions of a WDM combiner, simplifying the network architecture and allowing flexible deployment. This is the core hyper-converged line card integrating the functions of a CWDM combiner. It provides 8 converged ports, which allows the access of 64 end devices. Supporting 1G and 10G port rates, this line card reduces the number of ports by 8 times and the number of core patch cables by 95% at the core layer. For a small and medium-sized network with no more than 160 access rooms, the RG-S7600 series new fixed fiber optic switch can be used as the core switch. This series comes with 2 sizes, 1RU and 2RU. Incorporating functions of a CWDM combiner, it provides multiple hyper-converged optical ports, 2 100G fixed uplink ports, and 1 expansion slot. How passive and maintenance-free aggregation layer is achieved in the SOE Solution 3.0? Let's start with a signal transmission on an optical network. In the traditional optical network, one optical fiber can carry only one channel of optical carrier signal. In the case of heavy data traffic, huge amounts of optical fibers are required, which poses great challenges on the cabling space and costs. The advent of the CWDM era has changed the game. The band with a minimum transmission loss is divided into 18 channels spaced by 20 nanometers. Different service signals can be transmitted through one optical fiber, and the transmission efficiency is improved 8-fold. Adopting the cutting-edge CWDM technology, Ruijie Transparent Distribution Device, which is a passive aggregation device, greatly improves the transmission efficiency, while substantially reducing the costs of cabling between the main equipment room and each building. Compared with the PON solution with a split ratio of 1:8, the SOE Solution 3.0 using the CWDM technology supports physical isolation of wavelength channels, achieving 1-to-1 dedicated bandwidth. How is the SOE Solution 3.0 deployed and applied to campus scenarios? In terms of deployment, the SOE Solution 3.0 implements passive connection between each building and the floor ELV room, eliminating the need for a floor equipment room and maximizing school space. Schools no longer need to find a space for installing aggregation devices and to maintain tedious intermediate nodes. In the SOE Solution 3.0, the transparent distribution device deployed at the building site is further upgraded. The device provides 8 ports and supports flexible module combinations. With additional passive optical splitters, one light beam can be split into 2 beams to realize uplink redundancy. The device also supports VSU technology, which significantly improves the uplink reliability. Optical loss can be further reduced by pairing the device with the upgraded high-power CWDM transceiver modules. At the access layer, our new and upgraded SOE access switches can be deployed in each access room, boasting the ultra-high transmission performance of optical fibers plus the CWDM technology. The SOE Solution 3.0 can fully meet the network bandwidth demand of classrooms. In training room scenarios, the RG-SF series across switches support a flexible number of end devices without additional cabling. The high-performance wired networks give full play to the performance of downlink Wi-Fi 6 devices. In office scenarios, the RG-SF series access switches support the access of a variety of downlink devices to meet diversified network demands. To add more indoor access terminals, just replace the all-optical access switch, and cable rerouting is not required. To increase the bandwidth of the primary link, simply replace the line card on the core switch and the indoor access switch without any additional investment on cabling or link replacement. Once deployed, the solution can meet the network upgrade demand for the next 10 years. Thanks to the SDM management technology, whole process intelligent zero-touch provisioning and optical link fault location by scanning the QR code become possible, making the SOE 3.0 solution an ideal option for enterprise-class deployments.